so here's the thing. I just finished what I think is the last batch, but I did have these ones that I set aside that are like bigger, not necessarily pressed, just dried. I don't think I'm going to use them as different, like, you know, cute little assets that go in. I'm gonna make a page out of them. I'm gonna see if I can scan them. I know they're gonna crunch up in the printer. I know I'm gonna be mad at the amount of cleaning I'm going to have to do because of this, but I will do it because I think it's gonna look cool to just have them here, and then I'll go in Photoshop and do something interesting with them. And yeah. Okay guys, here's how I have it set up. Pray for my printer. We're about to crush these bitches in here. I'm gonna have to clean up my printer. I already see a petal in the corner here. Oh my god, do not do that. But, you know, we're gonna give her a good clean after this, and she's gonna be fine and happy and dandy, and everything's gonna be fine. Okay. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna give the scan one more go because I didn't really like how it turned out, just because it's literally because it's not supposed to work. And that's exactly what's going to happen, but I am going to try again because I am stubborn, and I feel like it'll happen differently this time, even though I'm not doing anything different except for maybe pressing down on the scanner a little differently. Don't do that. Okay. I'm gonna thoroughly clean my printer now. It's gonna be a lot of fun.
Alright, so now it's Photoshop time, and I wanted to show you how that process went. The first thing I did was I upped what the colors looked like. I upped the saturation and played around with it for a bit because I was kind of getting, you know, it was kind of dull at first. The second it came out of the printer, like the colors just weren't coloring, you know? I wanted those pinks and yellows and purples to be popping more. You can see me going in with the blur tool now. The blur tool, I keep saying blur tool, blur. Yeah, I just moved everything around. I gave it this kind of like, I think it kind of looks like water ripples. I think it looks super cool, like waves. I really enjoyed that. And right now you can see me playing around with the colors a bit more. I did end up just going with what the original colors looked like with the like saturation upping and everything. For a second I thought I was gonna go with this purple and yellow moment. I think I even made that the pre-order cover, but this ended up being the table of contents page.
I hope that you get a look at the summer edition of Petal Projections, which is available for pre-order now. You can also purchase the spring edition. There are still copies of that available. And I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you stick along for the journey and for the tons of things I will create. Okay, bye.